Oh, you know, I went there, I tried to sing your song upon your hill where you were standing. I went there and stood upon the fiercest stone. I was lying out deep in my hunger. On Battleship Hill they said to me, go not where you may be. There was a land that was calling out, the witches in the water gone. I went to see them and there to pray upon the graves that Congo made. The blood it flowed as rich as oil. I went to gamblers and to toil. I then came back to see a true love. I wondered how his hair went red. He sucked me deep into his ocean. I felt that I was nearly dead. So blonde redhead I sang o'er the ocean, and through the tornado I flew through too. If you would help me now with this song, Miss Harvey, it won't be long. You wanted to make something inspiring for our wars and our battles never ending. I fought so hard and then I switched sides. On the grave of Father Sandal I died. I died there too if they've gone before. The war on women was a war before this war. It goes so